How to fix Messenger login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guide. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix login error of Messenger. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first thing you want to make sure is to simply check your Wi-Fi on your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. This will change your IP address, and when you change the IP address, if Facebook or Meta has actually limited your account from accessing the server with that specific IP address, changing the IP address will most likely give you access back into your account. If that doesn't help, then sometimes the issue could also be with your Facebook app. So you want to open up Facebook, and then you want to make sure you're logged in on Facebook as well, and the same account will be automatically logged in on Messenger, because sometimes when you're not logged into Facebook, that could be the reason. The other could be the application issues. So you want to make sure that you've updated the Messenger app, of course, to the latest version. After you've updated the Messenger app, you want to just go ahead and long press the Messenger app icon, then tap the I button over here. Once you tap on the I button, scroll down, then go to storage, tap on clear cache if possible. Also just try to clear the data and then see if that helps your job done. If that doesn't help, last but not the least, what I'd recommend you do is simply open up your Messenger, check if your login details are correct. If that is the Facebook account you want to log into, you can do that. If not, you can log into some other accounts. Hope one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.